So today's a little different one. Today, my brother and I are going to get a chance to fly in a World War II trainer plane. We're here at Hayward Executive Airport, and a friend of the shop, James Hawkins, is going to take Jake and I up in his World War II trainer biplane. And we're gonna get to go bridge to bridge in the San Francisco Bay and then fly out over Mount Diablo and get to do a little bit of aerobatics. And even though it's not RC related, definitely still wanted to shoot some video of this. Super excited for this. James invited us on this last Christmas, and excited that I was able to bring my brother along as well to kind of experience this as well. It's a biplane, so since we need an experienced pilot, probably a good idea that we take separate trips. In like the little hangout stall of the hangars. The actual plane was down a little bit further, but I had posted a picture of the plane as Jake was getting in it. They took off here a little while ago. However, he liked the photo just 2 minutes ago, which means he liked it while he was up there, and I'm gonna have to give him shit about that.
show you